Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with CJ Affiliate for partner campaigns easy tutorial step by step clearly. In the top right corner, click on the sign up button. You will be directed to a registration page where you can choose the type of account you want to create. Select the option for publishers to proceed with subscribing for partner campaigns. Next, fill out the registration form with your personal information. Provide your name, email address, and create a secure password. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions before moving on. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button to submit your information. Check your email for a verification message from CJ Affiliate. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your CJ Affiliate account using your email and password. Explore the dashboard where you'll find various features and options available to you. Navigate to the Offers section to browse available partner campaigns. You can filter campaigns based on category or commission rate to find what suits you best. Click on a campaign that interests you to view more details. Read through the terms and conditions of the offer to ensure it aligns with your goals. If you decide to join the campaign, click the Join Program button. You may need to provide additional information or answer questions about your promotional methods. Once you're approved for the campaign, you'll receive confirmation via email. Now, you can generate your unique affiliate links to promote the products or services. Begin sharing your affiliate links through your preferred channels. Monitor your performance and earnings through your CJ Affiliate dashboard regularly. Utilize the resources and support offered by CJ Affiliate to optimize your campaigns. Stay updated with new campaigns and promotional strategies to maximize your success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.